Hello kids! Today we are going to learn how to draw vegetables and their names. First I will draw a capsicum. Draw with me kids. Great! Our capsicum is ready. Now I am going to draw a pea. Follow the instructions. Great! Our pea is ready. Now I am going to draw a brinjal. Great! Our brinjal is ready. Now I will draw broccoli. Draw with me kids. Wow! Our broccoli is ready. Now I will draw two cute potatoes. Now I am going to add some detailings. Great! Now it's time to draw an onion. Great job kids! Our picture is ready. Now it's coloring time. So let's color our picture. Light green color. Color with me kids. Dark green color. Light green color. Dark green color. Green color. Purple color. Light green color. Dark green color. Dark green color. Brown color. burgundy color. Great, our picture is ready. Capsicum, pea, brinjal, broccoli, potato, onion. Great! If you like the video, do like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.